Family, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Momiang. I'm standing at my kitchen door, but I'm inside the kitchen. I just locked the door because my babies are in the sitting room. So in today's video, we are going to be batch cooking some food. I've boiled some cereal. They're cereals, or we call them in Kenya cereals. But I've found out that cereals sometimes they are like Weetabix and the other brands. So let me take you through with what I'm going to be cooking today. Of late I'll not be in the house during the lunchtime, or sometimes in the evening I might be coming very late. Not very late past my cooking time. So I want to batch cook so that whenever I'm not around, my family can just get something from the freezer and warm and have a meal. So let me take you through. Here I have nzo, but in Kikuyu we call them jogo. But in other tribes like Kamba, they call them nzo. So these ones I boiled using my pressure cooker. This is a pressure cooker. And they lasted like less than 40 minutes. Let's talk of 35 minutes with the pressure cooker. So they are very fast to prepare with the pressure cooker. Here I have dengu, the green dengu, green peas, if you call them, the way you'll call them, if you call them, the way you'll call them. I overcooked them because I used the pressure cooker. I wanted to be fast because I need to prepare the food so that I can go and rest. It is late. So these ones don't mind. I didn't remove the water. I removed the water, but I didn't manage to dry it completely because already they looked like porridge. But what to do? That is how we will eat them. That is how we will eat. No condemnation here, okay? So don't condemn me. That is how they look. I have my onions. On this side I have my carrots, tomatoes, spices, bell pepper, kitunguu saumu. This is garlic. I also have ginger. And yeah, that's it. But then before you forget, this garlic has been in the freezer for some time. And this is how I store my garlic. And it has been in the freezer for almost like 3 weeks. 3 weeks, and it is still fresh. I almost forgot, I have coriander here. Also, this one I'm keeping in the freezer so that this is a hack for storage. In short, this is how I store my coriander and my ginger. I have vinegar and water here. So I want to wash my vegetables with the mixture of water and vinegar. Putting in my tomatoes, my tomatoes and my bell peppers. So I have carrots here. I want to peel the outer part, the skin, for easy preparation. These are bell peppers. I slip for away where they will disappear in the food. Yeah. I usually sometimes I grate them. Let me show you how I do it. Either I grate them or I pound them. If you don't have the pounding thing, you just grate them like this. It is so easy and very fast. You can see from the down. And these ones usually disappear in the food, but it leaves the taste. Avoiding the ginger, saying that you don't have these. Let me show you. You don't have this kinu. If you are in Kenya, I know you know this thing. This is how we pound it. So this is one hack I'm teaching you today if you don't know. And if you know, please tell me in the comment section if you know, you knew it before or you got to know about it now. I've removed the top of the tomatoes. Do you remove them in your house? I'm the only one who removed them. So because this is a huge, okay, because I'm cooking a lot of the dengu, I'm going to blend these tomatoes so that the color of the tomatoes will itashika kwa dengu, kwa pojo. We used to call them pojo, or that is how they are called in Kiswahili. Everything else is ready now. The coriander is here, no need of chopping it. And the spice, the salt is in the sitting room. I'll take the salt later. Here are the onions. I'm supposed to put oil now. So in goes my cooking oil. I'm not going to use a lot of cooking oil because this one is gold now here in Kenya. In goes my kitunguu saumu. And the ginger. Now my onions are well cooked. Now I want to put my carrots. My bell peppers. I'm adding salt to taste. Also, I'll be putting my spice. This is gram masala. I also have curry powder. We will let this cook for some time. After like 5 minutes, I want to put my tomato sauce, the sauce that I created, the one that I just blended. Wow, it looks very good and it smells very tasty. The mixture is inside here is for yummy things. The spice, the ginger, the garlic, the carrots. The way this sauce looks yummy, I have to taste. Oh my. It is very tasty. Very tasty. I'm not saying this at it because I'm the one who is cooking. No. Just go and try it in your house and tell me how it will be. It is so tasty. Hope you've written down the things that I've used. In short, the recipe that I've used. This sauce, the sauce of the food, like a stew, it is what that says how the food will taste. Okra. I'm going to add my dengu, the pojo. Don't judge my spoon. I need to go for shopping for these things. But right now the budget, where is not allowing me. But we pray that soon money will locate me. Ama someone there jitole. I'm just kidding. Money will locate me soon. Mixing it so well so that all the pojo, the dengu will be able to have the taste of the stew. The Kikuyus in the house, I know now you are thinking of the soup. I'm also a soup person, by the way, but not too much, but I'm a soup person. I also made the mbazi, the njogo in other language. So this one I did not put water, the soup, because I decided that I might add coconut milk later when I'm warming the food. So this is how they look, and they taste yummy. So that is how they look. And this is the how do we call these ones now? I've forgotten. Then dengu. This is how they look. Also, I did not add water. I wanted to put soup, but I decided because these ones I'm going to freeze them. So when I'm defrosting them, it's when I'll be adding soup so that they won't lose the taste. If you've watched up to this moment, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to comment. So until next time, bye bye.